Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to use Blue Willow AI on Discord. Now this is fairly simple. All you have to do is go to bluewillow.ai, hit join free beta, and once you join free beta, you can actually go here and in their Discord server, you can actually go and generate and start generating any images as you can see below right here. So Blue Willow is basically a Mid-Journey competitor. So you can go here to the rookie channels, and then what you can do is you can just go /imagine, and then once you hit imagine, you can basically imagine anything you want. Now what I like the most is that you can add Blue Willow bot to your own server, just like Mid-Journey. So once you add this bot to your own server, you can go to your own server. As you can see, I already created some of the creations here. You can go /imagine, and once you go /imagine, you can basically type in, for example, space, lost in space, or something like that, lost in space, and let's hit enter. And as you can see, the prompts will be generated completely free. And this is in a nutshell how you can go and how you can use Blue Willow AI in Discord. It's very simple, obviously, because they also gave you an option to use everything just like you would use a Mid-Journey. So obviously, as you can see right now, it's completely generated, and I can do the same thing what I would do with Mid-Journey as well. And yeah, I can export it. I can also use image to image feature. So for those of you that didn't see my previous video on Blue Willow and image to image feature, definitely check it out. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.